Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome back for the third class of our AI Educator Certification course. It is wonderful to see your continued dedication as we dive deeper into the practical heart of the modern classroom, moving beyond the basics to master hands on strategies that streamline your workload and elevate student engagement. In today's session, we will focus on the creative content and future ready applications, turning innovative AI tools into everyday classroom assets that empower your teaching practice. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Selvi, our expert trainer. She is a CBSE resource person, educationist, AI expert, and consultant. With her rich experience in education, she is all set to guide you through this exciting learning journey. Welcome, Ms. Selvi.
Thank you, G. Thanks for the great welcome. Yes, good evening, everyone. Hope all have explored yourself with the AI tools of Magic School AI because I received assignments also. Day two assignments I received from four people. Appreciation to those people like Mr. Abhilash, Bestie Sebastian, Sri Vidya, and Purvi Modi ji. So all those you have shared with me the drive link also. Some of you have not given access. Then I requested for access. You just whenever you are sending post your link before copying your link. Just check whether it is you have given the permission. Like anyone with the link can access. So you need to give only then I can access your files. Even Twinkle G can also access. So after that, after my checking, like once everything is over, the session is over, you can change it to that enabled tick you can disable so that nobody could see. Okay, so that you can do it. Yes, now coming to the day two assignment, let me just open some of the assignment which I have received. Yes, hope you can see my screen. So here I just got this 5E lesson plan, abstract and concrete noun. Okay, one of the teacher. May I know like who has created this?
Me, ma'am, I did it.
Can you name yourself here? Voice out and please tell your name, ma'am.
Vidyam.
Divya, ma'am. Okay, Sri Divya. Fine.
Yeah, Vidyam.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay. So you have created 5E lesson plan on abstract and concrete noun. Okay. So what is the topic you mentioned, and did you give any other description on this, ma'am? Or just you have given only the abstract and concrete noun topic?
That's
That's
it. That's what
only sir.
given on it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, fine. Then so you have got 5E lesson plan. Apart from that, like what you have created, you have I think you have done with a song also, phonic song. So this is done through which app?
That also I used Magic School, but I was not able to get the audio.
Oh, okay. Song generator, I told you, right? You
I
can
couldn't
compose
find
and
that user.
generate a song. That you didn't work. Okay. Magic School generator. At last, you have a tab called Generate Song. So once you get the lyrics, then it will ask you to confirm the lyrics. At last, you have Generate Song. There you have to click. Then you need to wait for some time to get an MP3 file. Then you can play that MP3 file or download that MP3 file. That's how the song is generated now. Yes, on the same page where the lyrics you got it, at last you need to scroll and see. At last it will show you a tab called Generate Song. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, very good. You have explored. It's a good thing. Okay, I'll move on to your next assignment, which is yes, you created this abstract and concrete nouns. The questions which you generated, is it from YouTube video questions?
Yes,
Is it like
ma'am.
yes? So
Yeah.
YouTube video
Yeah.
link, the transcript you copied and pasted in Magic School
Yes.
AI and then you did. Is it so?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am.
You pasted the link also. Good. So this is the way everybody, when you are making a document, it is going to be a teacher copy. So you can just copy paste the answers like where exactly. at which place you have, exactly at which place you get this answer, and the YouTube video link also side by side. If you copied in your document, it is well and good. Excellent, Sri Divya ma'am. Good, good. I really appreciate you. Okay, it's a good work. Fine. Let me move on to another one which I got. Another. mm, so, few more assignment work which I received from Abhilash ji. The same 5E lesson plan only I got it. Okay. Abhilash ji has done a 5E lesson plan on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay. Other than that, Abhilash ji, did you complete the rubrics? Has anybody created rubrics? Because no one has tried for it, I think.
Ma'am, I have tried it. I have sent it just now. As I was traveling, I
Just
could
now.
not send it early.
Okay. It's my humble request. Please send me little earlier so that I can open through my mail ID and I can just show and
Actually, I was
appreciate you
traveling
in
from
class.
Bangalore out of the state,
Not
so
an
I could
issue,
not
ma'am.
do it,
Next
ma'am.
time also you can send
Yeah,
me.
sure.
Okay, because it is going to be uploaded in the same drive link and I can open and see in the next class. Not an issue, right? Okay. So now others have other than ma'am, like anybody has tried rubrics? Have you tried?
I have done it, ma'am. I have sent all the six this thing that was sent in the assignment.
Okay. 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 Let me move on to the next topic. Before that, anybody has any other doubts in the previous assignment?
Yes, ma'am. It is showing in Magic
Yes,
School
Vidya ma'am.
29. Yeah,
I
in
can't
Magic
hear
School.
you properly. Can you be a bit louder?
Can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's showing a 29-day trial period
For
for Magic School.
trial period. Okay. As a teacher, did you log in or as a student or parent?
Yes, as a teacher
As an
only.
educator?
Yes.
No, ma'am. Actually, it won't give any trial period and all. You can access.
Okay, I'll just check on it
You
on my
try,
end.
no? Yeah.
Okay.
Once again, with like during the login time, you have to give like you're enrolling as a teacher or as an educator. Yes. Anybody else has any doubt? Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubt so
No
far.
doubt. Okay. Priya ji,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts?
As of now, no doubts, ma'am.
Okay.
It's quite
Okay.
clear.
So shall we move
One
on to today's session?
only thing I observed is in this magic school, it says that it is having trial period of 30 days, but only for certain one or two options. After the
Yeah,
30
yeah,
day period,
exactly.
you
That's
can
what I
use
said.
the rest of the
Rest
options.
of all the tools we can use it. Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Few components which is of pro version. So for that it will show trial period. Exactly. Not for all the options. You're right. Yes. Okay. So others, shall we move on to next session? Because Twinkle ji told me like you have some doubts. Is there anything to be clarified
Excuse me,
before
ma'am.
I? Yes, ma'am.
I can able to do the things, but I am not able to copy the link. How to generate the link and to send?
Oh, in Drive. So you want me to
Yes.
educate on that? Okay. Okay. Let me just go to that. One second. Hope you're able to see my screen. Suppose if a file is there, I'll just tell you. So this, all the files, whatever you created, keep it in your desktop itself as a folder. So now plus new, you can just give folder upload as a folder. See now assignment 2, somebody has sent me the folder as assignment 2. In that folder itself, like if you rename this folder along with your name, it will be very much easy for me, because many are sending with assignment 2 underscore your name. If it is there, at least a short form of it, it will be easy for me to identify. So now plus new, after going to your drive, then folder upload. Okay, so I can just take, see for example, one of the folder which is there in desktop. I'm just giving you one small sample alone. Yeah, okay, I'll just take this folder. I'm giving upload. So it has around 27 files. So after uploading, like you have to give upload, it takes time. Okay, so I don't want to go with that because 27 files, it takes time. After uploading, what happens, like it will be saved in your drive. Now you are going to copy and send me the link, whatever it, if it is even a single file or if it is a complete folder, just click on that and then click share. Yes, you have to copy the link and then send it to me, paste it in in WhatsApp. So here just click share. After clicking share, you have to just make it as anyone with the link. If it is my own document, it comes in a different way. Okay, I'll just see here. Share. Yeah, restricted. As of now, it is restricted. So now you have to enable anyone with the link. Once if it is done, then you have to copy this link. Click copy. Link will be copied in the clipboard. Done. Now you come to mail or WhatsApp, anywhere, whatever you have opened on screen, and then paste that link. That is going to be your drive link. Is that understood, ma'am? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, this is the way you are supposed to do. Okay. Yes, I think I can close this. We'll move on to today's session. We've crossed 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So we have done till magicschool.ai. So today what are we going to do is AI tools for assessment, quiz and assessment. Okay. Since like I'll take you first for quiz itself. There is a very good tool apart from Notebook LM. I think in Notebook LM also we can generate quiz, flashcards, everything. You might have practiced. So this gives instant quiz, but completely text-based quiz, which you can't insert any images or other thing. Whereas this quizzes is a very good platform. You can generate quizzes from video. You can also conduct live classroom quizzes also. This could also be conducted, right? So generate quizzes from videos, conduct live classroom. So that's what I'm going to take you. So now quizzes. The quizzes is actually renamed as Wayground because it was purchased by a different company. Now I'm going to type it as quizzes. So just type. It will show you wayground.com. Can you all see? Quizzes is now Wayground. So this link you have to click. Hope everybody got it. This link you have to click. Yes. So now continue. You have to log in with your ID. I think for the first time users, it will ask you for signing up. After that, you have to log in with your ID. Then, so there's something new they have introduced, so it is showing. Already, I have done with several sessions, so my library will have some of the previous lessons created, quiz created. Okay, all these are my previous quiz. One of the quiz, I'll show you like how it has to be played. If you just go to home, okay, now let me call any science or social science teacher. Can you just give me any topic? Yes, anyone here? Can you give me a topic in science or social science?
Reflection and refraction of light on science.
Reflection and refraction. Ma'am, if it is a tough topic, like all can't answer, make it as something simple so that everybody, maybe in primary level, like we can get questions of any class, even till 12th, no doubt at all. But here, all are going to play the quiz now. You're all going to play the quiz. Is that okay if I proceed with the same topic, or you want to switch over? Normally, something easy if we take, everybody can enjoy the activity.
And we can go with the same topic.
Same topic, sir. Oh, okay.
As we are
Reflection.
having an AI class, we will use AI to give any answer.
Okay. So, reflection and reflection of that. Right. So, for which grade you are expecting the questions? Actually, there are several quizzes already created by others or imported. Okay. So, here, sixth grade 15 questions, eighth grade 10 questions. Like you have, which grade are we going to choose now? Which grade level?
One choose sixth grade one.
Sixth grade itself. Okay. And there are, this is all assessments, ma'am. And this one is all about presentations, right? You want to teach side by side, you want to ask questions, like you can get it in such way. You can see here, right? We can also play 5 slides containing 6 questions. And you will have some content also. You can see, right? All these are slide based, right? And you have flashcards also for all these reflection and refraction of light, even for fourth grade. Let me just click this. 19 cards are available. Let's see. Okay. So the questions of all the flashcards are given here. See, in the front, an image can be seen in a shiny surface when the light is. When the light is, so it is going to be fill in the blank, and the answer is going to be reflected. So, what should be printed on the front of the flashcard and back of the flashcard is given here. So that way, you want to edit and edit the worksheet. You want to download this as a worksheet. Yes, we can also do it. We can add some questions like this. All these are possible. But there are limit up to 10 per month. You can see 10 per month. We are not going to generate more than 10. And actually 20 activities per month is allowed. So that is also one of the limitation. After that, we have to upgrade, it will show. Better have another ID and start continuing the work. That's what I will say. Yes. So here all these flashcard questions are there. Now let's play how it is going to be. We can also assign it to Google Classroom or to some other mail ID as a worksheet. We can do it. So preview, it will, I'm showing this preview. You can see here. This is how the preview is. Right? So click on the card. Now you are going to ask the questions to students in the class. So the answer is going to be yes. So click, if you know, you just click it. So this is another way we can also play this quiz. I will show you how to play. This is about preview, right? I'll just play the card. Start playing a game. Start now. So we will be getting anything like add accommodations, in the sense you wanted to add something more, you can do it. Otherwise, just go on with next. So in this, okay, whom all I should invite for participation? See, last time some of the participants have participated in my quiz. So those people mail ID is all reflected here. Otherwise, if you want to just go with select the student to get started. See, I'm going to just select to add accommodations. Whom and all I want to invite, you can do it. This you can even make it as like online quiz. Whenever you do some leisure time activities. Even during holidays, you can do it. And see here, additionally,
or Selviji, you are sharing some screen?
is it not shared, ma'am?
No, it's not.
Okay. Yeah. So here we could find the participants list, right? Already I have. So other than that, if you are going to include some more new participants also, we can. See, already the participants, those who played, all these are there. So select to add accommodation, all are selected, totally 18 students. Or if you want to invite someone, like add email. If you just give add email, like you can have a collaborator for it, or additional student, you can just select. All these could be done. This is for flashcards, but for in classroom, you can better go with like either preview, or I'll show you like how the game has to be done. One second. So we'll go with this quiz game, how it is going to be conducted. I'll show. Yeah. So now we'll start to play. Yes, there are two ways how to play this quiz. One is student based, another one is teacher led. So now if you are going to click the question one by one, then it should be given as in classroom. If you're conducting this quiz, it should be teacher led. Or else this complete worksheet as a quiz activity, if you're going to give it to the student as a homework or home assignment, holiday assignment, yes, you can make it as a student based. So what you are clicking, based on that the worksheet will be generated, the quiz worksheet. Now I'm making it as teacher led, teacher led. And in this teacher led, there are two mode. One is teacher based mode, another one is paper mode. Paper mode I will teach you later. There are some because it needs your participation. Since you are all connected in online, I'll go to teacher based mode. Yes, it is not going to be paper mode. In classroom, when you're conducting, paper mode is very much helpful. I'll teach you that also, how you have to do it. But first, let us go for teacher based. Okay. So this teacher based, after that, now, if you want to import any Teams classroom or Google Classroom, you can see here Teams or Google Classroom. All the mail ID participants you want to invite, yes, you can do it at a time. Import now. So 30 students, 40 students, 100 students, directly you can import them. That's what like assign to a class. This is like assigning this quiz to a class. That is one way. Or in classroom itself, you can just click start. After that, every student, they can find out this code, and then you can find this QR code also. Now you are all going to be my online participants. You're going to play this quiz. Now,
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you showing something on the screen? Because I think the screen is on. Now it is. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Move it,
Yes,
yeah.
got it. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now please click on this QR code, or you can just type joinmyquiz.com and then type the joining code. As soon as you join, all the participants list I can see on the right hand side. Yes, you can do it from your mobile also. Okay, Priya ji has joined. Yes, can I get a quick response like everybody? Abhilash ji has joined, okay? You can also use the Google Lens to scan this QR code, and you can see one link. Click on that, you will be redirected to this quiz. Only 2 participants. Okay, Purvi Modi ji has joined. Yes, remaining. Please make it little fast. Okay, Sudhir Singh, Dr. Sudhir Singh has joined. Okay, we have 4 participants. Okay, fine. I'll move on with that.
Everyone should try once. Vidya ji, Vansiya ji, please
Mm.
try once. This is very easy. You can scan it.
Yes.
Just scan it in your mobile. Padmini ji and Abhilash ji is there. Yeah.
Okay. Abhilash ji has joined already.
Yes, yes,
Padmini
yes.
ji, please join.
Vidya ji also, and Vansi,
Vidya
please
ji
try
also.
once.
Yes, are you finding any difficulty to join?
At least tell us yes or no so that we can continue with the.
Yeah. Okay, I don't want to waste others' time.
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah, I'll
Yes.
just start.
Doesn't know to scan, ma'am. That is the problem.
Oh. Still the code is flashing on the screen, ma'am. You can just click on that. Yes. Others, you can start playing the quiz. So as and when you submit, here I can end the timer. It is all up to the control of the teacher. Okay, plus 15 seconds, minus 15 seconds. Okay. So the timer has stopped. 3 people have answered to it. 3 have answered bends as it enters into a new medium. Okay, refraction happens when light bends as it enters into a new medium is the correct answer. Bounces back when it hits the surface. So how many are right and how many are wrong? It is given here in color. Can you see the statistical report? So as a chart, like you're getting that. Now we'll move on to the next question. There are 15 questions here. You can see all these. See here, if you want to insert the image, like some of the KG teachers, they have asked how to insert the image. By inserting image, you can conduct this. This is a sample quiz of which was already there, pre-generated. We can also create our own quiz. Okay. Identify the following image as reflection or refraction. I think the one word is missing in the question. Fine. 4 has answered as reflection. Okay, 100% accuracy. Very good. Now we'll move on to next. Only 15 seconds time is allotted for each and every question. Okay, so that's all. Again, 100% accuracy, we got it. So the answer is light is refracted. Very good. That's why the straw is bent. I'll end with 5 questions because I don't want to proceed with 15 questions. Yeah, we got the answers. Again, 100% all 4 have answered correctly. It's a medium. What do we call a material that the light can travel through? Yes, okay. Last question. Yeah, got it. I think one gave a wrong answer. So 3 has answered, it is reflected. Fine, I'll just end this assessment. Do you want to end this lesson? Yes. Then I'll give. Now you can see the class performance. What is the accuracy? Because totally out of 15 questions, we have answered only 5 right. That's why it is around 30%. Then view reports. I'm going to view the report. You can see the leaderboard also. Can you see? Completion rate only 33% of the quiz was completed. 30% accuracy is there because some wrong answers were also there. 4 students participated, and you want to share this report, this particular report. You can see for all the 4 which question, who made it wrong, who has given the correct answer, which all the questions they have attempted, which is non-attempted. All these are very clearly given. Yes. Can you see the report? And this report, you can share this report. You can email to all the parents. If maybe I think like you can just tell me some of your mail ID. If I start to type, I can send it to you also. If you want, if you want to receive, you can. I can just type all your mail IDs. See who are all the participants. 4 participants. For 4 participants, the parents' mail ID. If I type, like after that, I can just send. Here is the message also. Today we have conducted one internal assessment in class as a quiz. So see your child's progress like that. You can just send it. Okay, this is the way you can send mail to all the parents. Or if you want to share this report, but this is actually pro version, which we can't do it. Yes, this you just take a screenshot, or like you can, if you just give share report, it will ask you upgrade now, because that option alone we don't have. When we are upgrading, it can be, we can get it as a Excel report of all these. So question wise analysis, student wise analysis, everything could be done. Yes. So as I told you, AI tool helps us to give feedback also. Yes, that's the way. Here we are getting feedback about like even which question, which area the concept is not clear, all these. And we could also get a review about the questions which in assessment which we conduct. Yes, is that clear how this actually works? Now I'll teach you how worksheet has to be created or quiz has to be created on your own. So there is something called as create. Can you see? Create. So just click create. You want to create an assessment or a presentation or flashcard, whatever is it. Mostly don't go for video. Passage is also fine. So all these like comprehension passage you can create it. Assessment I'll just go for because it's mainly we are concentrating on quiz. So you want to upload any document already you have. Suppose the questions are ready, yes you can do it. Or you wanted to take from any YouTube video, yes you can do it. Whatever is it. See if it is going to be uploading from my own. Let me just take 1 second. Okay, singular plural quiz senior KG. I have one document. I'll take that. Yes, I have uploaded. Now the assessment question. Whatever already last year also you might have used. Uh, you might have created a set of question bank. Upload that and how many questions you wanted, you customize here. See select pages is given. Which pages you wanted to give, you can do it. Extract existing questions is done. Or you want to generate new questions, that can also be done. Anything is fine. So it will actually mix up similar questions. It will take it up and additionally it will add some more new questions also. So which level I can make it as kindergarten level? Yes. What is the question type? Fill in the blank or MCQ. These two are fine. Open-ended question if you want like yes or no to be given. Yes, that can also be given here. Number of questions, let it be automatic or you can limit it to 10 or something. Allow the students to read this document also. So side by side they wanted the document to be shown. Yes, that is, you can enable that. Otherwise not required. Because the quiz would be converted into multi-part passage question type where students can read the document and answer the question. This is also possible. But my document is completely with questions, so I don't want to do that. If your document is a passage and then if you click generate question, it's fine. Hope it's clear. Then you have to enable that. So for this option, I think it is not required. I'll just get extract existing questions also. Then you will not get anything. If you just give generate new questions, only then you will have all that. Yes. Hope you're clear, right? I'll move on. Create resource. Now, after reading the document, it understands the document and then it starts to refine the question. Then it will prepare the quiz. Yes, all are following here. Is there any doubt till then? Yes? Yeah, we are getting. Okay. So now we got this question. We can get the help of AI still. You want to translate this question, this quiz to some other language? Yes, there are some other languages which is available, but we don't want all these languages because we don't know. Yes, let us make it on English alone. Maybe Hindi or something is available, but here in this quizzes platform, only selective languages are available. Let's not go for it. Add similar questions. We can also add on our own, or AI will generate still more new questions. So 3 new questions are added. You just check it here. Okay, what's the plural of child? You want to include, just enable. Okay, what is the singular of car? Cars. I don't want this, so remove that. Yes, you can. Right? Save changes. Now these 2 questions will also be added. Totally 12 questions. Understand? You want to create your own question, just click create, and then you create like a true or false question. Yes, now you can type your own question here. So the plural of child is, yes, here I'm giving. Okay, so I should give the answer also, right? So child. So the answer is true or false. So false, this is the correct answer. Okay. So multiple correct answers means you have to play this. So false is the correct answer. You need to enable. False is the correct answer. After that, save question. Yes, that also it is included. Can you see here? Yes, it is automatically included. So that's the way, like you can add multiple questions, create question or add question. Further, you want to use AI to add some more. All these can be done. Finally, you can preview the quiz. This is the way. Here, if you want to include like images, there is an option for it. Okay, one second. More options. Add images. If it is already a template, if we are choosing, no, that can also be done. Yeah. So now you just give save changes. Let's see what's happening. Mouse image, my image, all that is added. You can see something different. Okay. Yes. Now I'm just going to publish this. So it's my 7th activity out of 20 activities. Yes. Now I'm going to start. Again, teacher led. Okay. Now just let me start directly. Please join the quiz immediately. Let's start to play. Just 1 or 2, please connect with me. Yeah, Priya ma'am has joined. Quick. Yes, anyone else? Purvi Modi ji. Okay. And I think I can start. By the time, like, you see the same code on the sofa. Yes. What's the plural? You can see here. Can you see? Since the screen is in a big screen in your classroom, like you will have all these. You can see this. Yes. 2 out of 3 have answered. Okay, see the image. This image actually was attached with this. Let's see the next one. Oh. If your document has images, I think all those images will be attached. The same image is attached. Yes. Because this is my document. Same it is attached. Yeah, yes, exactly. So I'll just end this assessment. Back to home. So here, along with images, if you just take, for example, I'll just take this one. We'll see the preview, not as a game, we'll just see the preview alone. Yeah. Oh, okay. Preview first slide. Can you see here the image? So when you just take one template and then the same you can alter. The same template itself you can use and alter. Here, well, if you want to edit over that, you can have. And students can also use whiteboard and collaborate in the online classroom session. So this is the way like images can also be inserted. It is available. So edit is there, right? So in this edit, you can just go whatever you wanted to edit, you can edit. Yes. So what you wanted to edit, this is actually on which part of the tab. So here you can just click on this image, whatever the image is there, right click, replace image option will come. This is all. Yes. So here sense organs is there. Just click edit here. So when we are creating, like we have already created one plural form quiz also. Yes, in this if you just give edit, you have gallery, add image. Yeah, this is the place like where I wanted to show you upload or upload from device. I just wanted to include some pictures which is there in the device. Let me just take one picture. Okay, and if you want to replace some other picture you can do it, or you can also paste a link of image. That can also be done. After that just scroll and uh, you have to give save. Takes time to upload the picture. Add image, the image will be added here. Can you see that since it is a GIF image, it took some time, otherwise easily it gets added. Yes, after that you just click save. I just wanted to show you how the image could be attached to your quiz presentation. Okay, yeah, you got it. Since I have already added one image, upon that like another image is added. So this should be removed. We can replace. Actually, I can click this and replace this. Can also be done. Freshly, when you're creating, you click that particular gallery and then add image. So that should have been done. That's all. This is about quizzes presentation. If you are conducting this as an activity of like in classroom as teacher pay student paced, then student they will do it all alone in their own way, like test mode. You can give it as a test mode. Okay, after that all the scores will be visible on the leaderboard to you. Then you can share it to the parents through email. So if you are conducting as paper mode, I'll tell you paper mode. Just click paper mode. How it works. You have to print cue card for students. What is that cue card? I'll show you. This is just a PDF document for cue card. 60 participants can, there are 60 different cue cards here. You can see, can you see? These are all cue cards. Cue cards is nothing but like QR code, similar to a QR code. Okay, totally 60 participants you can provide, like they can participate in the quiz. Inside the classroom, suppose 30 students are there. What you do, this is participant number 1. So you have to hand over to participant number 1. Next one is participant number 2, participant number 3. So like that, if 5 participants are participating, these cards take a printout. Either you laminate or just like a printout itself, you can hand over the sheets, this particular sheet to students. As and when you move on each and every question, what the children should do, I'll tell you. See, first, if the answer is A, child will show A on the top. So as such, the card should be shown. Okay, if the answer is B, they will rotate the sheet and B will be on the top. If answer is C, they will rotate the sheet so it is like completely upside down. Same way like that D. So these are the 4 ways, like they have to rotate the card in it should not be like tilted and all. Okay, and completely upright. So on the top, A or B or C or D will be visible. Now there is an app in the mobile. Please take your mobile, everyone. All of you take your mobile. There is a Play Store app called, please take your mobile. Go to Google Play Store.
Vilashji, what you want, what you can't see, please tell us.
Abhilash ji,
Not able to see. He's writing. Not able to see.
okay.
Cue
Now
cards.
please see cue cards. Look
Abhi-
at this cue cards. Okay, these are the cue cards. Actually, for participant 1, this is the cue card. And then you can see P2, this is the cue card. You can take printout. Up to 60 participants, you can take printout. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. See, right, as of now, I'll say like only for 5 participants if you are taking, for example. And then now what you need to do, it is like on face-to-face quiz when you're conducting, this should be used. So now on the top, if A is there, suppose if A is on the top, then A is the correct answer. Only 4 options you have to give in your MCQ question, and this will be helpful only for MCQ questions and not for any other objective assessment. Now, if B is the correct answer, then you have to rotate it and show like B, this way. It should be the correct answer. But every participant will hold only one, and the leaderboard automatically it will increase. Since we are connected to online, I cannot conduct this activity because as of now sheet is there with me, but what response you are going to give, I cannot connect with you. That's why I'm just orally saying you how you have to use it. See how it works. There is a document also. You can see here how it works. Can you see how it works? After clicking paper mode, you just click this, read the complete document, procedure is given, and how the mobile app works also you can see. In mobile app, go to Play Store and download this Wayground Quizzes mobile app. Yes, once if you start, then there will be a code. There is a code, right, to join the quiz. Same thing in mobile also, the teacher should enable, and then the teacher should scan the photo. See, first question when it is shown on the screen. Say for example, first question when I'm starting the quiz now. Yes, it should be paper mode. After that only it will come. Okay, plural form, it is paper mode, right? So now when I'm starting this, you just see, waiting for the device to start. After that, yeah, here from my mobile I should start. So from my mobile, this Wayground Quizzes I have to start. Yes, I'm opening with the same login ID. See, what is my Gmail ID which I used? Same ID only I should use here also. Yes, I could see the on the screen. On the screen, it is showing now plural form quiz. Start now. Yes, I'm starting. See, when I started from my mobile, here it is showing on the screen. Now students will look at the screen and then they will find out the answer. As students, now you know cats is the plural, right? What is the plural form of cat? Cats. Now what happens when you just scan responses? There is an option called scan responses. I'll just come back to my screen and I'll show you once again. Can you see my screen? Yes? Oh, well, I have to. Okay. Anyway, yes. So in my mobile, I could get the tab as scan responses. Now, if I click scan responses, then can you see on the screen? Start scanning to see players' responses. Now, what I should scan, I'll tell you. Now, I'll go to participant one. Participant one is showing A. Yes, I'm scanning this. Okay, one is scanned. Then participant 2 is showing B. I'm scanning participant 2, right? Then participant 3 is showing C. So I have scanned like that. Now let me come back. Can you see here? I got the responses of 3 participants, what I scanned. Is it visible for you all? Yes. So this is the way or entire 30 students you can collect the responses. Okay, each and every one what do they do. That's how it is conducted. It is paper mode. Show student responses is given here. This is paper mode. Now if I want to submit, I will submit. You can see there player 1 alone scored 600 points because A is the correct answer. Remaining 2 players, I scanned B and C, so it is wrong. 3 responses only collected. So likewise you can proceed. So this is the correct answer and these 2 are wrong answers. It's given here. That's all. Yes, is that clear? Now if I move to next question will be flashed up. If I end the assessment, so again I have to scan the responses. This is how it is done. Okay, so scan responses, if I give, I have to scan responses once again. So now this time participant A, okay, participant 1 showing A, participant 2 is showing B, participant 4 is showing D, like that, and that's all. I'm coming back. Okay, so many responses I got. Then I have to give submit in mobile. Then it gets submitted here. I'm just ending the quiz. End the quiz. You can see the leaderboard. Yes, totally 2 questions attempted, which are all correct, which are all wrong. Player 1 alone, both correct, like that. Just that sheet refers to each and every player. Hope you have understood. It's a very good tool for conducting offline quizzes. Yes? Have you understand? Did you understand? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Understood.
Yeah, okay. I'll exit this. So this is how we have to conduct quiz even in classroom, paper mode. So please take a printout of the cue cards alone. This is the cue cards. You can see here, this is the cue card. You can take a printout for all 60 participants. Just laminate once. You can use for any subject, any quiz. This is like a QR card. That's all. Showing that 4 out of 4 multiple options, 1 response. That's all. Yes, this is something, a different tool. Many will not know. Nobody would have conducted such kind of quizzes. So let you be the first one to start in your classroom. Okay. Yes. Is there any doubt? So today in detail we have seen how to conduct a quiz. Is there any doubt? Other than that,
No, ma'am.
Notebook LM you can use to create the quiz
No,
and
ma'am.
flashcards. Magic School AI you can use to create the quiz and flashcards. Okay, I can't explain each and every tool how to create the quiz. Something different which nobody has done, like I'm trying to include. Okay, that's what. Any doubts?
And please submit your assignment before 6 p.m. so that poor LVG has a time to check it
Yes,
actually.
exactly.
Any doubts, any questions till now, you can ask. We will be sending today's assignment also, na?
Yes,
By-
ma'am. SG. They are going to create a quiz on their own, including images. Let them create a quiz on their own. And they can generate questions using AI, and additionally their own questions also they can upload and do. So that's going to be the assessment, completely with quizzes background.
Okay. Any question on the assignment, if you want to ask, you can ask now.
And after generating your own quiz, please, you can even give the code to Twinkle G so that we all will join and play.
Yes.
Yes, each and every one of your quiz.
Ma'am, just one question for information.
Yes, ma'am.
Just like how you sent instructions for the previous assignment, we'll be getting for this also?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
I will be sending by tomorrow morning. I will be sending all the things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other query? Any other questions?
No, ma'am, no query so far. It is
Okay.
going good, ma'am.
Great. That's great. Okay, Port Selviji, thank you for the
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Q code. Yeah.
Q cards.
Q cards. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for joining us. Now we will be meeting on Friday at the same time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Port Selviji, for your time.
Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you.